students. So today we're going to see about impersonal passive voice. Impersonal passive voice sentences that class to infinitive class. It is said, a common way of reporting what is said by people in general or by an unspecified group of people is to use, okay, it plus passive verb. Okay, so inside the bracket be plus past participle close bracket plus the class. It is reported that the defense minister is to resign. It has been acknowledged that the lack of funding is part of the problem. It can be seen that unemployment figure rose sharply in November. Other verbs. Other verbs that can be used in this pattern include agree, allege, announce, assume, believe, calculate, claim, consider, declare, discover, estimate, expect, feel, find, know, mention, propose, recommend, rumor, say, show, suppose, think, understand. Personal passive. Okay, what is personal passive? When we put an object of an active sentence into passive, it becomes subject of the passive sentence. Active sentence, that is one example. The professor gave the students the books. So passive sentence is how change. The students were given the books. We sometimes use a pronoun for the students or the books in a subject form. Here, they. Active sentence. The professor gave them the books. Okay. Passive sentence. They were given the books. We very often leave out the by agent, the passive sentence here by the professor. Okay. Impersonal passive. It is said. The phrase "it is said" is an impersonal passive construction. This construction is used informally. It is said is used when one doesn't want to or is unable to cite legitimate source for what you are saying. It's essentially a way of claiming any position without justifying it. Passive sentence number one. It is said that children are afraid of ghosts. Passive sentence two. Children are said to be afraid of ghosts. The correct active sentence would be active sentence. People say that children are afraid of ghosts. Okay. The Lord Peter concluded that the inhabitants' curiosity was not such a bad thing. Okay. It is concluded. Okay. So it is concluded by Lord Peter. Okay. Okay. That the inhabitants' curiosity was not such a bad thing. The second example, they have discovered that something important was happening around the lighthouse. Okay, so how it changed into impersonal passive voices? It has been discovered that something important was happening around the lighthouse. The third example, Odie and Lord Peter decide to communicate the background of the situation. Okay, okay, how it was changed? It was decided. Okay, so who is decided means something Odie and Lord Peter to communicate the background of the situation. Okay, so everything is come into it is said like that. Okay, thank you.